Hello viewers, here I am Prabhat welcoming all of you once again to my channel, Our English Classroom. And in this channel you will get several videos on grammatical topic along with spoken English material and also some presentation skill based videos with lots of vocabulary video. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel so that you can get all the latest updates. Okay, so today's video is all about connectors and I have uploaded 3 more videos on sentence connectors. Well, connectors is one of the most important topic in English grammar because whenever you are writing something, you need to connect one idea with another idea, and a correct connector will make your sense greater, and a wrong connector can change the meaning also. If you want to attract the readers, you must need to use the proper connector. So let's get started. So in this video, I will discuss with about 4 most important connectors. These connectors are usually used by the native speakers of English language, but in our country we rarely use these connectors because in the textbooks or in the books that we follow in schools and colleges, there we rarely get this type of connectors. So here I am with the four new connectors. So number 1 is notwithstanding. Notwithstandings. In this video, I will show you the similarity of connectors with another connectors. That means how you can replace a connector with other connectors, because it's not obvious that you must need to use a single connector in a certain sentence. Rather, they got some similar meanings, so you can exchange them, you can use them alternately. And that's the reason, if you take a look on the board, notwithstanding can be replaced by nevertheless, though, although. Okay, so these 4 connectors can create quite similar meaning. Okay, but obviously there are some differences. You need to learn them properly so that you can use them accurately. So let's get the meaning of the notwithstanding. So this notwithstanding is actually mean shotteo, jodio. In Bengali we use this term. So take an example. Notwithstanding some members' objections, I think we must go ahead. Notwithstanding some members' objections. What does it mean? If there is a committee and a committee involves so many members, well, you are taking a single decision. Some members will agree with you, someone will create objection, but what you have done, there were some objection, but still you go ahead. So what did it mean? It means there is a contrasting situation. Some people agreed, some people disagreed. So notwithstanding some members' objection, I repeat it, notwithstanding some members' objection, some members objected, I think we must go ahead. That means you will carry on with your planning. Okay, so you can use notwithstanding in a sentence where you need to focus on contrasting ideas. Okay, so then go for the next one. It's eventually. The pronunciation is like this, eventually. And the Bangla meaning is very simple, porisheshe, or something that happens at the end. So what are the similar connectors like eventually? You can use lastly, you can use phrasal connectors like in the end, and obviously finally. So all these connectors will provide you the idea that the piece of writing is going to end, or the speaker is concluding his speech. So that means you will come to the end of your speech or writing. So you need to use these types of connectors. Well, so let's take an example of eventually. Like, I found it hard. So it was difficult. I found it hard to follow what the teacher was saying, and eventually I lost concentration. Oh my God. So it's very bad. We should never do this in the class. Okay, I found it hard to follow what the teacher was saying. It sometimes happens that you were in the class, your teacher is giving the lecture, but you are not properly attentive, or you are not getting his words, or you are not able to understand what he's saying, or something happens to you, or something happened in your life that is stopping you to provide giving the full attention to your teacher. So this sentence is like that: I found it hard to follow what the teacher was saying. That means teacher was saying on a topic, or the teacher was saying something. But what happened? Finally, or in the end, it happened that I lost the concentration. Okay? So the end result is 0. That means you could not get anything from your teacher. Eventually, I lost concentration. So you can apply eventually. You can also replace it with finally. Okay. So why should we use eventually? We use eventually to conclude something, to conclude our speech. Okay. So try to use it in your next conversation or in next writing topic. Next one is hence, a very important connector, but in our country we rarely use this word. Hence, the meaning of the word is tai ba sutorang. We are very familiar with these two Bengali words, sutorang, tai. The similar meanings goes like therefore, so, then, consequently. So all these 4 words has the quite similar or partially similar meaning with the word hence. So let's take the example. She is just found out she failed her exams, hence her bad mood. So we are talking about her bad mood. So bad mood, her bad mood is the outcome of failing in the exam. So how have I written it? She has just found out. She has just found out she failed her exams, hence her bad mood. So the result is her bad mood. Okay, you can apply hence in several other contexts, like we got very little time to take preparation for our upcoming exam, hence we should try. We got a little amount of money, hence we should go forward or take the risk. So you can use hence in this type of situation. Okay. Okay. Then the next one, likewise, a very important connector. Likewise, the meaning of the likewise is একই ভাবে, একই রকম ভাবে. So the similar of likewise are also moreover, similarly, even too. You can replace them. But likewise, this word, if you use this word in your writings or in your conversation, you will sound more native. Okay, so try to use them. So let's take the example. The food was excellent. Likewise, the environment. The food was excellent, so the food was good. Likewise, the environment. What does it mean? The environment was also good. The food was good, the environment was also good. So I can apply likewise, and that is the reason I do not need to repeat that the environment was also good. The likewise, this word helped me to state the similar meaning of that thing. Okay? Another example of likewise is, he is our friend and likewise our leader. So he's our friend and also he is our leader. So that is the point over here that likewise is actually saying us. So I hope that this 4 connectors will help you a lot to write your next content, whatever you are writing, or if you are an examinee of SSC candidate, if you are an SSC candidate or any competitive examination candidate, you must need to know the connectors, the uses of connectors, because a good connector will create your writing a very good one. So you need to work on this topic. Okay, So thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.